Wagwan. Today we're going to talk about two modal verb expressions, nago can and can go. Now, nago can, the literal English translation, it don't make no sense. Makes no sense. Because it would be like, is not going can. Yeah, no. No, however, the Jamaican expression, nago can, it means won't be able to or can't. Where the other hand, can go means to be able to. So these are opposite expressions, all right? So here are some sentences to show how we would use the two expressions. Then she can go manage all of them picnic there? No, she not go can manage them, you know. So, pop quiz. Which would you use here? Can go or nago can? Too much food this. She blank eat off all right. Which one? Nago can or can go?